Dear sir and ma'am, it is EcoBot 21. So it will do the cleaning, deep cleaning also, and the wet cleaning. So it carrying actually two water tank. One is the dirty water tank, one is the clean water tank. Both are 800 ml. So there is very as well as simple to press this button. Water tank will open. So I'll show you. This is dirty water tank. It is totally now clean. There is no water. This is dirty water tank. Okay, there is no water at all. So I am filling the clean water. Here you can fill the clean water. So it will 800 ml. You can fill the water. Okay. Once you fill the water, because यहाँ पे this is the actually filter, तो clean water filter, and it is the scrubbing brush. It is scrub the floor, okay, and it will suck the water from here. So as well as it is simple you press and connect it. Okay, now I have put it some mud and kitchen and that here. So just by starting the machine from here, you see it will clean all the cleaning. Just it started. And if you see here I have put the mud. If you see, there is nothing at all. So it will do automatically. So once if you fully charge, it will cover around 1500 square feet area, and 15 to 1800 square feet area. Automatically it will do the cleaning. It also will show the map. Also you you do the zone cleaning, particular spot cleaning, area cleaning. There is option. Also it have app control. Also it have the remote. If you want to control through remote, you can control speed, scrubbing speed, suction speed, and area setting. Also spot cleaning, left right. So all options in the remote, also all options in the app also. So it have Milagro EcoBot app on iOS and Android, so you can download and that you can control it. And if you see that cleaning, if you see my hand, if I put it the clear, there is nothing and simple. Also I put it some mud and outside I picked up the machine and see the outside. I put it the some mud. Okay, if you see I am running this machine. Okay. So if you see, it will clean fully. This is the mud. Totally it will clean. So first it is cleaning that side area. If I put this machine this side, that mud also it will clean. So it will spraying the water on the floor and it is scrubbing with the water and it is cleaning and sucking the mud and water. If you put the sauce, gravy, all it will clean. So no one have like that machine. It is very happy duty cleaning machine. Even if there is mark of oily marks in kitchen, also you can run this machine is there. So it will not fall down. Some suppose stairs is coming, So if you see this total area, if you see my hand, I have was put it mud here. If you see, there is nothing at all. Okay, so it is totally this step, and I'll show you how much mud has collected. Started that time, dirty water tank totally cleaned. I'll also open the how much that is had collected. There is handle, you can open water tank. Now if you see, there is the dirty water tank lid. If you see, this is the mud is had collected which I put there. This is the mud actually. So also there we are giving the brush, so can you wash. This is the mud actually, and there is the clean water tank. If you have open clean water tank, this is clean water tank. If you see, this is still clean. This is clean water tank. It also about 1 liter, and dirty mud also about 1 liter. So 800 to 1 liter. So this how it is cleaning, and this is the scrubber. It is very good quality of the scrubber. So it will clean everything like everything. So thank you for watching the video. And start simple. If you see the back side, this is the tracking wheels, because it will not the slip, and this is the scrubber. So it goes inside and scrubber will scrub flow.